लोक कौन कहे सेटा आपण सफलतार परिचय नुहे। आम संगे अच्छा मिस्टर महाप्रसाद पंडा, टीम लीड ऑफ मेट्रो ग्रुप। वेलकम टू ओटीवी नेक्स्ट सर।
थैंक यू
सर, मेट्रो ग्रुप 33 इयर्स लेगेसी रही एंड लोक मानकर ट्रस्ट पछरे आपन को लागुची कौन रीजन रही?
Talking about like Metro Group, it's a 33-year-old organization, and the main reason is the committed timelines. जो भी projects देखे हुए, the construction is always ahead of the schedule, and the other reason is like we have many projects, like more than 80 to 90 projects, जोटा कि already हमें deliver करीज. So that is the main reason people trust us.
सर, ओएसिस जो प्रोजेक्ट रही है, गोटे कंप्लीट लाइफस्टाइल प्रोजेक्ट रही है।
करेक्ट।
सो what do you want to tell us about that?
So talking about like the Kings Court project, in which we have the Oasis by MKC. The main reason is like we have lifestyle amenities like metro cities. We have a clubhouse of 50,000 square feet. Then we have football ground, clock tower. So many more amenities inside this that suits the demand of a customer. Like if someone is staying in metro cities, obviously they find the lifestyle in different projects. So the same concept we have come up in Metro Kings Court and inside this Oasis project.
And also sir, luxury actually लोक माने they are choosing the luxury lifestyle. And how is Oasis providing them luxury, and what is the definition of luxury for Oasis?
So luxury, the main definition I'll tell ki currently in Bhubaneswar market, the demand of a customer is like they want in a better pricing.
Yeah.
And the room sizes must be spacious. So the luxury here means the room sizes, they are getting a spacious, super spacious room sizes, that too 4 BHK 4 toilet and 4.5 BHK with 5 toilet concept at a price lesser than the market price. So that is the main luxury I'll tell for the Oasis project.
And sir, why you chose this location of South Bhubaneswar?
So location, I mean, this is south of Bhubaneswar, that is the growth corridor of Bhubaneswar currently, because of the educational hubs and the medical hubs. If you see just the radius of this project, just backside of our project we have Nizer, then opposite is IIT Bhubaneswar, and just besides Nizer there are upcoming, like the construction is already started in fact for Tata Memorial Hospital, National Skill Institute, and just nearby to our project we have Info Valley, where many of the IT companies are already operational. Then after the RBI data center is already operational, Bagchi Cancer Hospital. So this is because of those developments and the foreign direct investments that are coming up. So hence we have chosen this location of South Bhubaneswar for this flagship project.
Apart from that, if somebody wants to make an investment, from the investment point of view, how you think this project will be beneficial?
Investment wise, if I tell you about the past 2-3 years record for Metro Kings Court, where we have sold almost like 300 plus villas, where the people they've received like more than 3x of benefits when they invested 3 years back, and the current pricing, it's almost 3 times. Likewise, we have come up with the same concept for the Oasis apartment phase also. So we have started at a lesser price just to let people know that we have come up with an apartment inside this Kings Court project. So gradually we will be revising it and will be touching the market pricing. So obviously a customer will get benefited out of it and will get good rate of return on it.
So when this project comes to my mind, the Oasis, one word is associated with us, that is legacy. So what message would you like to give to the audience about?
So yes, so to tell about the legacy of Metro Group, I'll request all of our viewers to come and visit our site and experience it.
It was indeed a pleasure having a conversation with you, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. Same here.